Hi children, welcome to the science class that we are discussing about garbage. We are discussing about garbage. So what is the garbage here? The used or the waste material that is generated at home or at our locality is called as garbage. So here in previous lesson we started about disposal of garbage, how the municipal people or otherwise the government has taken step to dispose this garbage, means remove this garbage. So here disposal of garbage, it includes five methods. In that first one is the composting. We already studied about the composting. First one is the composting, and second one is the vermicompost. Second one is vermicompost. So we completed composting and vermicompost. Next, the third one that we have to discuss is the recycling. Third one is the recycling. So what is meant by recycling? Let us see what is recycling. So here recycling means, here nothing but recycling is a process we collect where we collect and transport we collect and transport the garbage like paper, glass, metal, plastic, right? So here the garbage like paper, glass, metal, plastic can be collected and transported to the respective industry. Paper to the paper industry, glass to the glass, and metal, plastic, we are sending them to the particular industry. For what? To recycle, to renew them. What is meant by renew? Means we are getting new one from the older one. Whatever the discarded or used materials is there, the used and discarded materials can be utilized by the industry, and it renewed. Means, for example, there is a toy, plastic toy, समझो break हो गया, right? Now you are going to throw in the garbage. So this kind of garbage can be separated and transported to the respective industry, plastic industry, and with this another toy is made. So here this plastic is recycled. The plastic is recycled, like the paper, glass, metal, plastic, all they can able to recycled by the industries. So let us see how to recycle them, right? For example, here the papers. How do we produce paper wastage? Simple. The cover envelopes, newspapers, and at home the notebook papers, and as well as small slips, bills, tickets, right? Or magazines, newspapers, all these are uh, paper wastages that we are throwing into the dustbin. So what they will do, we are going to send these materials to the paper mills. We send to the paper mill. At paper mill they are going to recycle the paper. So we sent it to paper mills. Then what happens? They are going to reprocess it. Means they use this paper, and with this old paper they are going to prepare new paper, or otherwise cardboard. They can produce new paper or otherwise cardboard, right? So for the production of cardboard and new paper, the used paper will be recycled. It is recycled. Or for example, the broken or discarded plastic, समझो प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, प्लास्टिक मग्स, बकेट्स, जग्स, कप्स, प्लास्टिक का जो है जब ब्रेक हो जाते हैं अपन डिस्पोज करते हैं उसे, राइट? So whatever the disposed plastic mugs, buckets, cups, mugs, plates, etc., toys are there, they send to the plastic industry. Here the plastic industry or factories, they are going to process, they melt the plastic. समझो एक broken plastic material है, उसको melt करके again they renew to form the new object by using that plastic. So it is what we call recycled. Again we used again, right? It is what we call recycle. And as well as here all plastics, remember one thing, all plastics cannot be renewed. For example, plastic less than the 5 mm in thinness, the thickness, if it is less than 5 micrograms, if it is less than 5 micrograms, it cannot be recycled. The plastic covers which are less than the 5 micrograms, they are unable to get recycled, so that it is better not to use these kind of plastics, right? Now, however, the glass objects, the useless glass objects, they send to the industries, right? So these glass objects, whatever the broken objects pieces are there, they melt them and they are going to reform the new mirror or new lenses, glasses in the optical industry they are going to use, or otherwise decorative purpose, or at home level they will prepare. And whereas some waste metal like iron, aluminium, their vessels, they are utilized, and they used these metals to prepare new things. So like this, the garbage can be recycled. Actually, what we are doing here, we are going to recycle only particularly paper, plastic, glass and metal, and not other things can be recycled easily. Just remember, we should not add plant wastage, animal wastage to this, right? And as well as, who can dispose this, who can take away this recyclable material from the garbage or otherwise from the home? Very good, he is called junk dealer, he is called junk dealer, kabadi wala, right? So this kabadi wala, he comes to your colony periodically, and is going to collect the broken materials and as well as waste papers and books from your house, right? So plastic bottles, chairs, whatever the useless things or discarded things are there, they are collected by the kabadi wala. And now this kabadi wala, they collect them and they are going to send they separate the material, plastic, steel or metal, they separates the garbage, and particular separated material will be sent to respective industry where they recycle them, right? So this is the process of disposal, recycling. And here there is a small activity regarding recycling of paper. What we have to do, we have to take a tub full of water and we have to soak the waste newspaper, cut the paper into pieces and soak them, right? Soak them for 24 hours. Then what happens, after that we have to make it as a pulp. We have to make a pulp, means we have to grind it. After grinding it becomes pulp, gel like material. Now spread a wire mesh on the floor, spread a wire mesh on the floor, and now take this pulp on the mesh, spread it, and now keep a white cloth over it, keep a white cloth and press against it, right? Then what happens, the water what is whichever present in the paper pulp can be removed. Now just flip it, just invert it, then you are going to get the paper on the cloth, you will get the paper on cloth. So now dry it under sunlight or by using dryer, then you are going to get renewed or recycled paper. This paper can be used as the greeting card. Why? Because it is handmade paper, right? So this handmade renewed paper can be used for the different purposes, right? So this is about recycling of paper, right? I hope you understood today's class, and we'll discuss some more about remaining things. Thank you. Here the picture is showing the steps involved in recycling of paper. So by doing so you could get a new paper by recycle process. So here it is, there are 9 steps included. So by following these 9 steps you could get the paper back, right? Soaking for several hours and pouring in the tray, applying the mesh and removing the mesh, as well as drying it by wrapping in the paper, right? Finally, if you dry it to the sunlight for the 24 hours, then automatically you are going to get a new paper that is self-made, right? Follow these steps and try to prepare a new paper, right? your handmade paper, right? Thank you.